Hello everyone, this is Jorge15 and I'm going to show you what I have behind this door, within my closet. I went to GameStop yesterday and I bought a new USB cable which cost $7.99 plus tax. This is known as the data, I believe, USB data cable, which I believe will work. I think this works on a PS3. 2-in-1 data and power cable. What this means is that it says charge PSP Slim and transfer. See right here, PSP Slim 3000, I believe, is also the Slim as well, but with more features. This has 1, 2, and 3. Basically, this has 3 cables, but actually it's 2-in-1, which I believe these are the 2 right here. Transfer your photos, music, videos, games, and podcasts with the Media Go. And this picture right here demonstrates the PSP USB cable working. So what I'm gonna do later is show you how the cable works, but I'm not gonna do it right now since the room is being used. But wait a minute, maybe I can show you how it works from, I believe, a PlayStation 3. But I will do that in a later video. This is a pretty nice cable for your PSP Slim users. This will not work on 1000. What's this? There's an insignia. Now, if you look over here, this is the Wii charger that my brother got. As you see, it's charging one of the Wiimotes. It comes with 4 batteries, 4 Wiimotes, battery cases, but what this means is that you don't have to keep replacing your Wii batteries ever again. So charge your Wiimote and you can keep playing for hours. Though not many hours, but I think a total of several hours you can play up to. Pretty nice. So this video is basically of what me and my brother got yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is test out this USB cable and then see if it works.